Start by heading over to the Find icon and searching for an app called Downloader. After typing the first few letters, you'll find it in the results. Click on it again and now press the Download or Get option. This will take a couple of seconds. Once downloaded, press the Home button on your Firestick remote and head over to Settings. Select My Fire TV from the options. Click About. Here you will see your Firestick model. You'll need to click on it several times continuously until you see this message which says, "You are already a developer." Now, press back once and scroll down to select Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps or Unknown Sources, and then turn the permission on for Downloader to install unknown apps on your device. Alright, now head back to the Home menu and launch the Downloader app. Press Allow and give the necessary permission to Downloader to install apps. Now click on the search icon and type the code 5546232 and hit Go. From here, scroll down and find Ebo Player Pro from the list. Click on it once and it will start to download. This will take a couple of minutes. After it downloads, click Install. Then click Done. Now press Delete twice to remove the APK file to free up space. Now let's head over to the home screen and find the app we just installed. You'll need to select the Apps menu from the right, and from here you'll find the app all the way to the bottom. Before using any third-party app, the #1 rule is safety. I strongly